Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Dogecoin on your Ledger Nano X and want to move it over to Bitrue for trading or other purposes, you're in the right place. This guide is tailored for 2025, so we'll cover the latest steps to make sure everything goes smoothly. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned pro, I'll walk you through this step by step, keeping it simple and secure. First things first, before we dive in, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need your Ledger Nano X hardware wallet set up with Dogecoin installed, and a verified account on Bitrue. Also, double-check that you have your recovery phrase safe. Security is key in the crypto world. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and open the Ledger Live app. If you don't have Ledger Live, download it from the official Ledger website. Once it's open, select Dogecoin from your account list and go to the Receive section. This will generate a unique Dogecoin address. Copy this address carefully, as you'll need it for the transfer. Next, head over to the Bitrue website or app and log in to your account. Navigate to the Wallets or Deposit section, then select Dogecoin from the list of cryptocurrencies. Paste the address you copied from Ledger Live into the deposit field. Make sure to double-check that it's the correct address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Now, enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the current Dogecoin blockchain fees to ensure you're not overpaying. Once everything looks good, confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by reviewing it on the screen and pressing the buttons to approve. After that, sit tight. The transfer should process within a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, you can check your Bitrue balance to confirm the Dogecoin has arrived. A quick word of caution: always use official apps and websites to prevent phishing attacks. And if you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.